Hello everyone, it's a Crypto Lover channel. Today I wanna talk about a very interesting decentralized project called HEX. HEX is a fresh ERC20 token that pays to holders instead of miners. According to Richard Hart, cryptocurrencies cost most as price stocks. It is based on an advanced game theory and aims to fix everything that is wrong with bitcoins. Token holders are advised to put their own coins to get more merit over time. Similar to CD deposits in the world of banking, the longer you bet, the greater the merit. HEX is the world's first deposit certificate with the highest interest rate, allowing users to put their own tokens in exchange for interest. Users have every chance to receive interest payments in the range of 4% if 99% of the total offer is delivered. For an incredible and large payment of over 400% if only 1% of the total offer is paid in the form of HEX tokens. It is worth noting that the currency value of such a payment is completely dependent on the HEX market price at the time of closing. HEX is not a project that promises increased scalability, sidechain comparability, or consensus-based innovation. Instead, it is an ERC20 token designed to make wealthy early users. In essence, this is a multi-level advertising crypto scheme. Users receive referral discounts and early candidates receive a more significant piece of the pie. Unlike almost all ecos in the past, which gave a narrow curtain of purpose to conclude the obvious plans of the founder to get rich by selling unlicensed security to investors. HEX quite clearly says on its own website that any function is designed to increase its price and acceptance. This is called the HEX positive pricing theory. HEX rewards most who receive HEX before. The project has also aroused great enthusiasm from the widest society of cryptographers. This is just the middle of a bear market for real Bitcoiners, tired of the recent low volatility. Key features of the HEX coin. This is an Ethereum token because transactions are not dangerous, fast and cheap. Unlike BTC, the HEX code is considered unchangeable and open source code, and there is no method to charge the smart contract programmed in the ERC20 token itself. This is an outwardly tested token. There are no errors, the code is correct. HEX does not respond to any of the requirements that will be declared by the SEC USA as a money product. Therefore, it can be prohibited. Bitcoin inflation goes to the miners. HEX stagnation of the economy is made by interests of those who believe in the currency and protect its importance. Stakers. Low level of economy stagnation. A small part of benefits for economic stagnation is transferred to a region wallet and is used for advertising, management, registration of trademarks, patents, beware of branches and copies, as well as other superiorities. Thus, the appeal to HEX lies in the fact that it gives the badge. Since HEX is considered an ERC20 token prepared for preservation, it doesn't have any permanent, true, and not dangerous functionality that we all adore regarding Bitcoin. This is an Ethereum-based token. There is nothing Bitcoin in HEX. HEX is faster, cheaper, and safer in almost every way than Bitcoin because it uses Ethereum as an aid. The HEX blockchain is considered permanent and doesn't depend on which nodes vote for. As in the case of Bitcoin, therefore there is no chance of forks. Conclusion. HEX is a fresh ERC20 token that pays to holders instead of miners. According to Richard Hart, cryptocurrencies cost more as price stocks. It is based on advanced game theory. The project has also aroused great enthusiasm from the wider society of cryptographers. HEX is faster, cheaper, and safer in almost every way than Bitcoin because it used Ethereum as an aid. Thank you for your attention, guys. All links will be in description, and see you later.